Ang landi.
Name fourth year.
Jeremy Petalver, BSB, FPM, third year.
Having duly elected as
Appointed.
position.
Auditor,
Slash.
editor, of, Supreme Student Council.
Dapat hindi sa kapila.
Solemnly swear
Solemnly swear
that I will discharge faithfully
that I will discharge faithfully
and honestly to the best of my ability
and honestly to the best of my ability
all my
all my
obligations
obligations
and responsibilities in the student council.
and responsibilities to Student Council.
I promise to share my knowledge,
I promise to share my knowledge,
skills, and time
skills, and time
towards the fulfillment of the vision and mission
towards the fulfillment of vision and
of
mission
my beloved institution,
of my beloved institution,
pamantasan ng lungsod ng
the
Maynila.
Pamantasan ng
Opo.
Lungsod ng Maynila.
I shall endeavor
I shall end the
to
work
uphold the ideas
of all the ideas
of the university
as embodied
in its charter and code
in its charter and
for
code
the greater interest
for the greater
and
interest
welfare
and welfare
of the members of the academic
of the
community.
members of the
Aba
academic.
naman yan
I
ah.
will abide by
Nakuha
I
ko
will
to.
abide by
and comply
and comply
with the rules and regulations
with the rules and regulations
laid by competent authority
laid on the competent authority
of the university
of the university
in accordance with law
in accordance with law
and shall voluntarily assume
and shall voluntarily assume
my responsibility
my responsibility
without reservation
without reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
Ethical.
Yes!
Okay.
Ano ka nakita?